Hello, welcome to Legal Awareness web series. We made one video on Vikas Dubey's encounter in UP. Of course, it was very dramatic and it reminded us of Jolly LLB movie where a terrorist was let off and a bridegroom was picked up and killed in an encounter. Now, the story of encounters in India is a very painful story. It is not confined to UP. We had many encounters even in South. In 2019 itself, we had an encounter of few people even in Telangana. Now, any person may have committed the most heinous of crimes, yet the due process of law is to be made available to even the worst human being on earth. Our belief in human rights, constitution and legal system demands from us that no one shall be killed by the police in an encounter. Number of these encounters which have happened in UP, I think is a very worrisome. There is a research done by Neha Dikshit for Wire where she went to the families of 14 people who were killed in these kind of encounters. Each one of this case looks fake. Even Vikas Dubey's encounter, he had a dramatic arrest which looked more like a surrender. There were people who moved to the Supreme Court anticipating that he is likely to be killed. He probably surrendered himself in Mahakal temple in Ujjain because he anticipated this. And the way the car was changed, the way the car was lying conveniently on a reasonably good road, the way the press people were not allowed to accompany him and were stopped a few kilometers before this incident raises eyebrows and questions about this. Even though the law prohibits handcuffing of people if they are not likely to run away, but we see every other day that people who are accused of minor criminal offenses, violating Supreme Court's directive in Altamash Rane and similar other cases, are handcuffed. Vikas Dubey must have been handcuffed. How come in this karma only his car met with an accident? How in an open field, like a big fool, this man was trying to run? I think there is something more to it. And that's why many human rights activists, many former police officers are not convinced about the official version of Vikas Dubey's encounter. I feel that the time has come when each one of us must reiterate our faith in the criminal justice system of the country. Police is an essential component of our criminal justice system. It seems in this case, police itself was worrying about the delay in trial, about the witnesses getting hostile, and therefore they did this rough justice. I am sure that there will be some judicial inquiry and the truth will finally come out. In the early days of Yogi Adityanath's government itself, till January 2018, as many as 1038 encounters were done. This number in last 2 years must have further gone up. Some 40 people were killed, some 238 people were injured. The National Human Rights Commission is on record to say that about 44% of encounters come from UP. There are cases where National Human Rights Commission has ordered payment of compensation. Most of these encounters initially happened in the western UP towns of Muzaffarnagar, Shamli, Bagpat. Many of these people who were killed in encounters were already in jails Then they were released from the jail, and within few days of their release, they were killed. There are cases of mistaken identity. Sumit's case, for instance, which I talked at length in my Hindi video. I believe we are heading for a big disaster where democracy, constitutionalism, presumption of innocence, rights of accused are under threat. This is not the way in which a civilized legal system operates. If you like Legal Awareness web series, kindly subscribe to our channel. Please click the bell icon and widely share this video. Thank you very much.
This video is brought to you in association with ASAP Law's books for English vocab, Hindi translation and GK for Judiciary, UPSC and SSC. Amazon links to purchase the books and an exclusive 10% discount coupon code only for the subscribers is mentioned in the description box below.